What is going on, guys? Welcome to another video. Today I'm going to show you how I do high ticket affiliate marketing. So the first step is to choose a niche, and we have a variety of niches that we can choose from. For example, the make money niche, the health and fitness, and the relationship. Now let me show you quickly. This is my affiliate dashboard because I promote products for the make money online niche, specifically high ticket affiliate marketing products. And you can see here I have $71 in unpaid earnings, and if I go to payouts, these are my latest payments. I have $71, $75, $194, $58, $872, and you can see I'm making commissions by promoting this high ticket training, which is Freedom Breakthrough 3.0. Now let's say that you don't want to promote products in the make money online niche, so you can go to Google and write, for example, high ticket affiliate marketing programs. So let's say for health and wellness. So Google is going to give us what are the best products. For example, we can go here and we can do our own research. 10 best health and wellness affiliate programs of 2024. So we're going to click here, so you can see. Check this out. Here we can read this blog, Fun Fueled by Wolfsong, and if we'll scroll down, we're going to find valuable information. For example, this program pays 40% commission for every sale. Their cookie duration is 90 days, and the payment methods are bank transfer, PayPal, wire transfer, and Payoneer. So, and if we want to sign up, we just need to click this red button. Now, you need to know that usually these blog posts, so they are written by affiliate marketers as well, and if you sign up here, we have a high probability that this red button is an affiliate link. Now let's go to Google and write, for example, high ticket affiliate marketing programs for relationships. So we're going to scroll down and we're going to find here, for example, 10 best relationship affiliate programs, love and commissions. So check this out. Here we have 17 best dating affiliate programs. So let's click on this one, building income with love. So, and this is really important because you need to know that the products that you are going to promote are going to help other people. So scroll down and we're going to find here something interesting. So check this out. So here we have these trainings for all the people who want to learn how to promote products, and we have here the product that I'm promoting, which is the 70-hour challenge. So check this out. This is the affiliate link for this product, and if I scroll down, you can find here all the features. Short quick start course includes don't forget software automation, which is funnel freedom, 15 high converting offers, reveal. So these are all the products that I'm promoting with funnel freedom. Includes a free white label course, 7-figure affiliate system reveal, and all that good stuff. So which is really interesting because this person is promoting these trainings so people can learn how to promote well the relationship or the dating programs. So check this out. For example, the first one, the name is Millionaire Match, and if we scroll down, we can find the cookie duration, which is 45 days, the commission rate up to 50%, and here we can sign up. We have another example, Elite Singles. So let's see, this program pays the cookie duration is 40 days, they pay $7 per sale, and here we can sign up. So you can see this is the first step, to choose the niche and find a high ticket product. Now once we have the high ticket product, we need to find supporting offers. For example, I'm going to show you an example of products that I promote in the make money online niche. So, and I have that system integrate in funnelfreedom.io. So I'm going to go here to Funnel Freedom because I'm going to show you all the products that I'm promoting as an affiliate marketer. So here we can utilize the system, which is basically a 7 figures done for you system, and we just need to copy and paste our affiliate links inside of one page, and then we just need to send traffic to the opt-in page, and Funnel Freedom is going to start sending all the emails to our email list. So check this out. These are the products that I'm promoting. So basically my main core offer is Freedom Breakthrough 3.0. So that is my main core product, and then I promote supporting offers. For example, check this out: Secret of Success, Funnel Freedom, Reports.io, Get Response, and I have multiple supporting offers. Supporting offer number 1, supporting offer number 2, number 3, number 4, number 5, and so on and so forth. Funnel Freedom promote all these products for me. Once I collect an email, so Funnel Freedom can send email to that prospect. Now check this out. First of all, you need to know that the product is going to help other people. That is why I bought Freedom Breakthrough 3.0. So the price of this high ticket product is $1997. And you can see that this is a complete training on how to build a high ticket affiliate marketing business. So here we have the welcome and getting started, phase number 1, 4 phases to freedom, the affiliate stacking ecosystem. So now I'm talking about this affiliate stacking ecosystem, which is basically the main core offer and the supporting offers that we promote as an affiliate marketer. Now you can go to Google and find all of those products if you want, or if you want to utilize Funnel Freedom to promote these products, Get Response, Udemy, InVideo, Reports.io, vidIQ, and TubeBuddy, you can do it if you want. So if I scroll down, check this out. Here we have like all the trainings on how to drive customers to this system. For example, how to create videos between 5 and 15 second short videos, how to create faceless artificial intelligence videos. If I scroll down, unlimited leads with Instagram, and these are all traffic strategies: Facebook Reels, DM closing. And then we have phase number 2, which is how to use YouTube to drive customers to this automated sales system, because YouTube is one of the most powerful social media that we can use to drive customers. So basically this is my main traffic source, guys. I have this YouTube channel which has 1,540 subscribers. I have uploaded 1,200 videos, and these videos are helping me to reach an audience about affiliate marketing, high ticket affiliate marketing strategies. So people resonate with my own story, and when people go to my channel and click this link, this is my domain, is going to open the link of my sales funnel. So check this out. Here I'm giving away a free course. Now, one important thing is that we need to give away something for free if we want to collect the email, because people are not going to put their information just because you tell them, hey, please write your best email. You need to give something in a way for that email. So for this funnel, I'm giving away the free course that I didn't create. I'm utilizing Jonathan Montoya's free course. And so when people see this page, click this button, they can write their name, their email, and their phone number. So once people opting in their information inside of this sales funnel, Funnel Freedom, the software is going to start sending emails. So one cool thing about the software is that we have in the automation part all the emails ready to be sent to our email list. Because as you can see, it takes time and effort to go to the marketplaces and find products to promote, and also to build this automation workflow, because you need to write emails with good copywriting skills. Because if you don't have good copywriting skills, it's going to be hard to make commissions. Now check this out. I'm going to show you quickly the automation workflow that is inside of Funnel Freedom, and you can see I have right now in the welcome sequence 74 people enrolled, and we have here, for example, the first 80-day northern sequence. I have 69 people, and so on and so forth. All these email sequences are working, and I didn't write any of these northern sequence. So these emails were written. These were written by Jonathan Montoya's support team, so we can utilize the software to promote multiple affiliate products. Now, that being said, once we have this entire ecosystem of products that is going to work 24/7, we need to drive customers to it, and I use YouTube for that task. For example, if I go to videos, or here I'm going to search, for example, Freedom Breakthrough 3.0, and I'm going to find here all the videos that I have recorded about this topic. For example, Jonathan Montoya Freedom Breakthrough 3.0 review by a real user. So when people watch these videos, so this one has 397 views. I have another one. This one has 395 views, and you can see I don't have like too many views. My YouTube channel is small, but all these videos are helping me to reach an audience. And so when people go to the links of the description of my YouTube videos, and when they click those links, and if they write their information, they will access my sales funnel. And Funnel Freedom is going to start promoting all of those products that I just showed to you. So that being said, let me show you how I use Google Trends to create content, because it's important to know the latest trends of the keyword that you want to rank on YouTube. So for example, I want to rank my videos for this keyword, which is affiliate marketing. So I usually go to Google Trends and write the keyword. I choose United States, and then sometimes I use YouTube search, and other times web search. But as you can see on the screen right now, I have chose YouTube search. I'm going to scroll down, and you're going to see that here we have all the related queries. For example, how to do affiliate marketing on Amazon, how to start affiliate marketing with no money, high ticket affiliate marketing, and I can create many videos about these topics. For example, that is why this video, the name is high ticket affiliate marketing, because this one has 110% of increase, and people are searching this keyword 33,100 searches per month, which is a good traffic. So I can create another video and I can talk about affiliate marketing strategies, and I can create another video as well and talk about email marketing. And if I go to the next page, affiliate marketing without a website, or how to do Amazon affiliate marketing, I can create a video about these topics, upload that information on my YouTube channel, and I'm going to have a high probability that YouTube is going to share my video with more people, because it is fresh information. Now, one important thing about YouTube is that, so I have seen that it's important to start to create content regularly. For example, every single day. That is when I have noticed that my YouTube channel is growing faster. So if you have any questions, let me know in the comments. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. Also subscribe to my channel, click the notification bell. Talk to you soon, and God bless.